Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE washer drive belt using the belt installation tool. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get them at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the packages, you're going to get the new drive belt with the info sheet, along with the belt installation tool, an extra O-ring, and the belt replacement instructions. The drive belt is what drives the washer tub. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's worn or damaged and the tub isn't turning. The belt installation tool is used because the new belt is very tight and hard to put on. In order to get to the part, we have to take off the front panel. We're going to use a putty knife to release the clips and pull it off. All you have to do is go from the side until you feel it, and then move over a little bit and press it in to release it. Once you have this side off, we can go over and do the other side. Once you have both clips released, you can lift the front panel off the mounting clips and set it aside. Now that we have the front of the washer off, we have access to the belt and the pulleys. If your belt is already damaged and fallen off, you don't have to take it off, but if it's just stretched out and slipping a little bit, then you can take a flathead screwdriver and get underneath the pulley and just pop it off. Once you have it like that, then you can just push it down and get it off the pulleys. Once you have it off, you can pull the belt out of the washer. Here's the old drive belt next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get that and the belt installation tool at AppliancePartsPros.com. They did put a notice sheet in here to tell you that the new belt may have a different amount of ribs than the old belt, but it'll go on there and work fine. Before we put the new belt on, we have to put the belt installation tool on the pulley. It's just two pieces of plastic held together by an O-ring. So we're going to have to get in there and stretch it apart with our fingers and then put it up over the motor pulley. Once you have it in place, it'll hold the belt on the pulley while we're putting the belt around the pulleys. Once you have it in place, the belt tool should lock onto the very last groove on the pulley. Now that we have the belt installation tool on, we can feed the belt back underneath the pulleys, and you're going to get it around the motor pulley. And then on the left side of the washer, we're going to go back and get the belt started on the pulley. And this is where we need to put a zip tie to hold it to the pulley. While you're putting the belt on with the zip tie, it may have come off the motor pulley, so make sure that you're zip tying the grooves on the belt towards the pulley. Once you have that on, then we can come around and make sure the motor pulley was still on. Once you have that on, we can reach back and turn the large pulley clockwise to work the belt around. It's going to be pretty tight. The belt is pretty tight when it's brand new, so it's going to take a little bit of stretching. But once you get the zip tie all the way over to this side, then the belt should be on the pulley and we can cut the zip tie off. Now that we have the zip tie cut, we can come over and take the belt installation tool off. To get it off, we're just going to take the O-ring off so it can be broken into two pieces and then pull it off. Once you have both pieces off, you want to reach in and give the pulley a turn. Make sure you turn it all the way around. Make sure that the belt's not going to come off the pulley and everything's aligned properly. You don't want to put this thing back together and have the belt fall off the first time you use it. Once you're sure the belt's going to stay on the pulleys, we can put the washer back together. To put the front panel on, all you have to do is set it on the two lower mounting tabs. Once you have it in place, you have to lift it up so the pins line up, and you can push it all the way closed and lock it in. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.